Early. Why did you come early? Why did you come early? I have to leave early today. I have to leave early today. Already. I already believe it. I already believe it. I feel better already. I feel better already. Even. Even I can't believe that. Even I can't believe that. He had to work on Sunday. He had to work on Sunday. He had to work even on Sunday. He had to work even on Sunday. Also. Do you also like music? Do you also like music? I am also a teacher. I am also a teacher. Always. I always do that. I always do that. He always works hard. He always works hard. Both. I hate you both. I hate you both. We can both do it. We can both do it. Certain. Why are you so certain? Why are you so certain? I am not certain what to do. I am not certain what to do. Far. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? The station is far from here. The station is far from here. How far is the airport from here? How far is the airport from here? It's too far. It's too far. In. May I come in? May I come in? I am in London. I am in London. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Just. I have just eaten lunch. I have just eaten lunch. I am just watching TV. I am just watching TV. Large. I have a large family. I have a large family. The place is large, isn't it? The place is large, isn't it? Near. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Do you live near here? Do you live near here? Only. I only drink water. I only drink water. I only have one sister. I only have one sister. Out. I must go out. I must go out. I am going out for a while. I am going out for a while. Rather. It's rather cold today. It's rather cold today. I would rather go for a walk. I would rather go for a walk. Shame. I had the same problem. I had the same problem. We go to the same school. We go to the same school. Shortly. He will arrive shortly. He will arrive shortly. I will be with you shortly. I will be with you shortly. Soon. He came back soon. He came back soon. It is going to rain soon. It is going to rain soon. Still. He is still sitting on the bench. He is still sitting on the bench. He still wants to come. He still wants to come. Such. I did no such thing. I did no such thing. It was such a nice day. It was such a nice day. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.